Hi everyone! So, eto guys, napagod kami nagbike. Pag-uwi, nagluto ako ng beef tapa. This is my kind of beef tapa guys. Diba syempre guys, pag may beef tapa, may itlog. So, ayan guys, ang kind of beef tapa ni Jonah. Actually, ang sarap niya guys. Promise, kanina pa ako tikim ng tikim nito habang nagluluto ako. Ayan mantika na lang talaga guys. Ayan, napakasarap ng tapa ni Jonah. And may paitlog si tapa. Baligtad guys, no? Actually guys, dinner na ngayon guys. It's 7:10 here in Vienna, Austria. And in the Philippines, it's 1:10 na guys ng madaling araw. At you can see guys, sobra pang tirik ang araw ng alas 7 na pasado dito sa amin guys. So, eto guys, kain tayo guys. And of course, pag ganito ang ulam guys, rice is life. So, kain tayo guys. Babush!